Don't do this as a realtor. So as a realtor, it is important to maintain a professional image and reputation to attract and retain clients. One way to achieve this is by ensuring that your business pages are focused on your real estate niche and not clustered with unrelated content. Your business page is essentially your virtual office where clients go to learn about your business and services. If your page is filled with posts about unrelated topics such as wigs, shoes, or Ankara fabrics, it can be confusing and unprofessional for clients who are looking for a real estate professional. So in order to build trust and credibility with clients, it is important to make sure that your business page is well curated and reflects your expertise in the real estate niche. Now, this can include sharing information about the real estate market, showcasing latest listings, and providing valuable tips and advice to help clients navigate the buying and selling process. By keeping your business page focused on your real estate niche, you can create a clear and consistent brand that clients can easily recognize and trust. This can ultimately lead to more referrals and repeat businesses. So in summary, as a realtor, it is important to use your business pages wisely and ensure that they are focused on your real estate niche. By doing so, you can create a professional and trustworthy image that will attract and retain clients over the long term. So did you enjoy this video? Remember to like this video, save this video, and follow for more educational real estate content. See you around.